Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my very first YouTube makeup video. I have the Chinese DouYin makeup on brown girls. In this video, most of the products I'm gonna use are from Yesstyle. They just sent me some products to try out and I'm here to share them with you guys. Now let's start with skincare. I have really dry skin, so I like to use some thick toner before I start my makeup, and I always bring it under my eyes, and when I'm sitting down she has to come on my lap. Now as you can tell, I have very dry skin and I have some red spots around my face from my cat. So I will try to conceal them. Now let's use a collagen cream. The collagen cream will need at least 1 minute to dry out, and while I'm waiting for it, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. First step before I apply sunscreen or even start my makeup is use any kind of sleeping mask as a protection. This is my trick to prevent breakouts even when you're applying makeup every day. I always like to mix some hydrating or glowing base into my usual CC cream or BB cream. So I'm gonna mix them.
Around 2 pump is more than enough.
I'm using a green cream, a green CC cream, because green helps canceling out the redness very well. This is a lot. I don't need all of it. Remember, less is more. I like to add a bit more around my cheekbone area. This is my half face done. Look at the glow. This is how your skin will look with Medicube with any kind of products. I also like to apply it to my eyelid because actually DouYin eye makeups are very famous for pinkish, peach eyeshadow colors. So I'm gonna use the Peri Pera eye palette. All of these colors are so pretty. Now after applying the creams, I'm gonna use this pinkish shade to set those cream products and make it less greasy. I always like to bring eyeshadow under my eyelid too. These two eyeshadows and apply it right on top of my also at the agusa. I think for brown girls, instead of just using white or peachy tones, are always brown girl friendly for agusel because they won't make our dark circle look extra pop. My agusel is here without making my under eyes looking really worse. Now it's time to conceal these dark circles. First, I'm going to use a color corrector. You only need one tiniest amount of color correcting. Like this is enough.
Now let's slowly blend it out.
Guys, now I'm going to draw my eyeliner and do some falsies. Let's pray for me. Bismillah. Bismillah, Bismillah. So this is my... Now this is where I'm going to use a very affordable red eyeshadow and apply a little bit on the outer corner. You can use brown or anything else, but I love using red, especially on brown girls. Brown shadows can easily look like dark circles for us, and it's gonna make your eye makeup look dirty. But with red, it cannot just it complements our brown skin tone and also won't make your eye makeup look dirty a bit. And remember, before it dries out, you do not want to touch it. So let it sit there for a while, and we are going to apply eyelashes. I always like to apply spooky eyelashes for DouYin looks because they give that doll eye effect. And remember to apply your eyelashes underneath your real lashes to achieve that natural doll eyes look. This is how the lashes looks, right? You're gonna apply the lash glue on top and then clean the leftovers so it won't go into your eyes. Otherwise, oh my god, it's so painful. And then just lift up your eyelid and don't forget to give it a push. And here you go. Now let me finish all of them and I'm gonna come back. So this is how my eyes look with one eye full of lashes. Done with my both eyes top lashes, and this is the look. Now let's apply some mascara to our lower lashes. I'm going to be using Judy Doll's Slim Iron Mascara. The mascara wand is really small and tiny. Really helps a lot when you're especially when you're applying mascara to your bottom lashes. Now this is the comparison with the bottom lash. The fibers of the mascara definitely makes the lashes pop out a lot more without making them looking clumsy. Now that I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm gonna move on to my face. Let's apply some blush. I'm gonna use AP Juicy Blusher in PK02. So the DouYin makeup is famous for having the pink blushy under eyes look. So I'm gonna take off my hand because it's so much easier to control
when you're using the back of your head. And dab, 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 dab.
And don't forget to apply it on your nose bridge, tip of your nose, and on the chin. I usually like to apply my concealer after applying cream blush, so I can brighten up my under eyes a lot better.
After a while, now you can blend it out. So it's going to give you a lot more coverage than usual. And you can always clean up your eye makeup by leaving the concealer as last step. So this is how it looks compared to this side.
I'm gonna use the leftover ones around this area because I'm gonna use Flower Notes Circus Blush in Blue Moonlight. I have learned this trick from Xiao Hongshu and I've been loving it since then. First, you're gonna use the bluish, purplish tone and apply it under your eyes. Dab, dab, dab. Not too much, not too less. And can you see the difference? It's gonna plug up your face here and here. Let's add a bit. I set my blush with the powder blush.
I'm using dabbing motion because I don't want to move my concealers or all the eye makeup around. So I'm dabbing.
A slightly bigger brush to dab it out. to my favorite part of the makeup. Let's add some glitter to our eyes. So I like applying, remember the Yesstyle? We always like to add glitters on top of it. It's very shiny and like bling bling. Now that I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm gonna overline my lips.
Here.
I'm going to use a lipstick from Flower Notes in the color 8803. This is the final DouYin makeup look on brown girls. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Yesstyle for more products and use my discount code to get discount. See you guys next time. Bye!